Good morning, everybody. Sunday morning, very cold. Going on a junkyard adventures because I forgot some stuff again. So on the Jeep, I forgot when I pulled the old engine off. One of the things I didn't do was pull the water pump bolts out because I'm gonna replace the water pump. So I forgot the water pump bolts, and I think this car's supposed to have a fan and clutch. It wasn't on there, and I could tell that a lot of stuff was taken off. So I'm not sure if the owner knew about it or not, but he had took it to a shop and they took it all apart and tried to put it back together because they found out that the engine block was cracked in half. So I guess they may have either just left it or whatever the case may be, I don't know. So we're gonna head down to the junkyard. It's warmer in my refrigerator than it is out here. I think it's like maybe 28 or something. But I'm gonna head down there and grab that and some more miscellaneous parts, and let's go.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Alright, I'm back here at the old homestead HQ, and I made a mistake. I didn't say I made a mistake, but I did something stupid. Before I checked my camera footage at the other camera, right now I'm talking to you guys on the Gopro. Yeah, I formatted the hard drive, well, the memory card, because I was like, oh, I don't think I need anything on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and format it. And right when I pressed the button, I was like, oh my God, I forgot. When I was putting the Jeep engine in, that information was all on there. So I totally lost all of that. The whole day, from me putting it together, the ending part putting it together, and actually putting the Jeep engine in. So you guys are gonna see it with the Jeep engine already in. Stuff is still missing off of it, like the water pump. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in right now. Let me just go ahead and show you guys. So this is what we have here. The engine is in, mostly everything is done. You see I'm starting to put the water pump in. Now I just had all this stuff just sitting here when I got back from that junkyard. It was just basically sitting like that, and I just picked it up to start putting sealant around it. Always like to put it on there and then put the gasket, and then I put a little bit of sealant around here, so I could get a good adhere. So let's go ahead and finish putting this back together. And I took the camera up to the shop last night because I was gonna video some stuff there, but I didn't. I just actually just watched TV most of the time and just tinkered on stuff. And yeah, I forgot the camera up there, so that's why I'm talking to you guys on a GoPro. And I don't have my stand either, so I gotta hold you guys. So let's go ahead and finish knocking this out, and we'll jump on something else. right, so ran into some problems. Yes, more problems. So I tried to it's several things. I'm just gonna start from the beginning for the worst one. It's bad starter. I guess when I took the starter apart, I didn't take it apart. I took it off the engine and cleaned it. And when I cleaned it, I was like, man, this thing smells really burnt. I mean, really burnt. And I didn't think nothing of it. So when I put it in the car and I was about to start it, it was just, you could smell the burnt and it just clicked. It didn't do anything. I knew the battery was okay because I charged it and it's reading at 13 volts. Oh, sorry, I'm filming you guys on my cell phone because my GoPro died too. It just gave up totally on me putting every little thing back together. I hate that thing. That's why I stopped using it, and I'm too lazy to drive up to the shop and get my other camera. Yeah, so let me show you guys the starter. I did take it off. I mean, I just cleaned it. I mean, that was it. Nothing out of the ordinary. Besides that, also let me show you guys the engine real quick. Got it all together. Now several things happen. This hose clamp here doesn't work. I have to get another hose clamp, so I just took it off and chunked it so I know to put another one on there. Also, the thermostat housing, the thermostat, it kind of popped out and fell somewhat, and then when I put this on there, it was wedged out at the bottom, so when the fluid start going through, radiator fluid start coming out, antifreeze start coming out. So you can see antifreeze over there because I filled that up too. Other things that need to be replaced, PVC lines. I got two, one back there that goes to the throttle, to the intake manifold, and then this one goes right into here. I just need to get another one. That's not too big. One of the second biggest things that's a big problem is the radiator. I can't think of it. So you see where the radiator, I don't know if you guys can see that. You see where it's metal and then it's plastic? Well, it's separated from there. So also when I started putting in antifreeze, I didn't notice until it was a lot on the ground that it was leaking also. So I will have to get a new radiator. So new radiator, new starter, a couple PVC hoses, and one clamp, maybe two, because I don't like the other one that's next to it because it's got problems. I don't like it. I don't trust it. All the other stuff that I went to the junkyard and got this morning, that's all in the car. The climate control, the door, this thingy here is all on it, the handle. Put all that stuff in there, got the panel back together, so everything inside is good to go. So I'm 100% done in there. Besides, I think I want to replace the carpet. I really, because when I pulled it, I never did pull up the mats, and I pulled up the driver's side mat and it's got a hole in it. So it's like the carpet. So I was, oh, okay, got to get new carpet. But other than that, that's it. So I mean, I'm burnt out. I'm tired. I could take the starter up to AutoZone. It's just a mile up the road to get it checked, but I already know it's bad, so I'm not even going to deal with it right now, because I know if I deal with it right now, I want to go and put it on and try to start the car, and I'm hungry and I haven't eaten nothing all day. Actually, I haven't ate since yesterday afternoon. Well, no, I had some macaroni last night. Yeah, I had some macaroni. So that was about it. But other than that, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe, and hang in there with me. We're gonna have some more stuff coming up. I got some more projects at the shop already. Yeah, it doesn't have anything to do with cars, bikes, motorcycles, or none of that stuff. Sort of. Sort of. But stay tuned, and I will talk to you guys later.